Welcome to Wango Presents Colors Mr. and Master Cook Season 2, powered by MTR. I'm Chef Deepthi, your host and judge on this unique cooking show where fathers pair up with their children to cook, love and bond in the kitchen. In this season, we will have a total of 6 rounds. 4 preliminary rounds consisting of 3 teams each. Each team will have to make 2 dishes, one using fire and one without using fire. One team will make it to the semi-finals. In the semi-final round, 4 teams will compete against each other for just 2 spots in the finals, out of which only one will win the title of Mr. and Master Cook. Before we begin the show, I would like to introduce Chef Shamsher, who is the executive chef of Copper Chimney Group of Restaurants here in Singapore, and also my co-judge on this show. Welcome to the show, Chef Shamsher.
Namaste, Sat Sri Akal.
Chef Shamsher, tell our viewers a little bit more about yourself.
I worked with a 20 years experience with the hospitality industry. So I'm expecting from my contestants like hygiene, plating, as well as bonding and fun.
That's right. And of course, taste and presentation is also what we are looking for. But most of all, we are looking for bonding, a love that brings a father and a child into the kitchen. Let's begin round 1 by taking a look. Team 1, we have Mr. Nikesh Kotadia and his 11-year-old son Priyam. Team 2, we have Dr. Ramanathan and his 7-year-old daughter Sharada.
Sharada.
Welcome Sharada, welcome to the show.
Well,
Team 3, we have Mr. Rahul Sharma and his 9-year-old son Ridhan. Welcome to the show, contestants. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Are you all excited?
Yes.
Contestants, for your first task, you need to cook without fire. You need to prepare a salad using the ingredients that are available on your table. You may use some ingredients or you may use all. The judges are looking for a product which is crisp, fresh tasting and well balanced. You will be given 15 minutes to finish this task. Your time starts now.
Let's go. Yeah. Yes. So, this is for you. Please take care of your finger. This one. And I cut this one. Okay. Cut this.
So you're gonna make pieces? Small pieces for this. Is that
This much is true.
can I cut
The bottle to be decoration. One we had left. Okay.
you know, this
Okay. Hemat patahar khabur pa. Tony, okay.
Contestants, you have 5 more minutes left to finish your dish.
Don't worry, it will do fast, right?
Almost there.
Great. Very good.
You can use this for
Yeah? Great.
He's a master. I'm just an assistant.
Now,
Booty hai? How's it?
great.
All right, contestants,
Ridhan,
last 10 seconds.
9.
10,
9.
9,
Yes.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
2,
1.
5.
Stop. Vacation, Priyam.
Hi.
Did you have a good time making the salad?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, your salad looks very pretty.
freshness as well as quinoa. Well sprouted onion. Might be, if it is, I thought might be onion will be washed nicely, then it will be get the punch of it.
It's a very nice tasting salad. A little bit too spicy for me, but that's okay. Just one of the things that I would like to point out is that whenever I make a salad, I would not like to bite into an onion this size.
Okay.
Because
Might
it can get
be
very pungent and it can really be very strong to your
overpowering.
palate. Onion is there to add bite and flavor to the salad, but it's overall a very good effort,
Very good,
and it's a very well
I
tasting
can
salad.
see the enjoyment.
Thank you very much.
Sharada,
Yes.
did you have a good time making the salad?
Yes.
Very true, I get to know it.
I think it's very well seasoned. It's not salty at all. The flavors are
Very balanced.
very
I can say.
delicate.
Very
yes.
balanced and delicate.
But remember that if you use bananas to garnish anything, they will oxidize very fast.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay, but fabulous job
Fabulous.
done, and all the best for the next dish.
Thank you.
Did you have a good time making the salad with your daddy?
Yes.
Even the bean sprout also you cannot see that. But let's see the taste.
I really like the
Honey.
freshness of mint in your salad. It's really coming through. It goes very well with the chickpeas and it goes
Absolutely.
very well with the pomegranate seeds, and it really
Right.
makes the salad taste very good. With that, we come to the end of our dish that required no fire.
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Contestants, for your next challenge, you need to prepare a dish using fire. The ingredients have been given on your table. You have 20 minutes to prepare this dish. Your time starts now.
Silver वाला निकालो.
Oh, aqua.
ठीक है करो सर.
My other hand.
So I think if you want to be like a bit
Oh, other hand
with
you
your
hold the
flame,
bowl.
so you can do your
Like this.
So now, blow નથી ફેરવો દીકરા.
wait.
Aqua, George.
Teaspoon.
So little slow, right?
Okay.
We are on the
Go
process.
and wash this shaker.
Good. I can see.
Can you go? Is it becoming right? Why is it a little bit too much? Okay.
So where we are?
Okay, no.
Now we are there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. This.
राजी ये दिल्ली वाली टिक्की क्या बात है भाई, आप दिल्ली वाली टिक्की बना रहे हैं. मेरे दिल्ली वाली चौक की टिक्की, राइट? गुड गुड. नहीं पैटी. Almost you are close to finish, right?
You sure you want to mix?
Yeah.
We can mix it. We can do. So at this time,
This one. Risotto. And mix it. Salt.
No, that is. You want to try?
Only a bit.
Contestants, 10 minutes are up. You have 10 more minutes to go.
So what I'm saying, by the time you start with a healthy meal, you start with a plate. Can I help you with that?
It's more and more.
So,
Like, can you see important?
We don't need that.
What it was, okay?
good. Wow, great. Take the stuffing and then like this.
Balls.
Hmm?
To make it into balls.
All right.
Cool.
See how this stuffing is. This stuffing is here. Yes, absolutely. Do creativity,
Yeah.
something new.
We need this. Take this one.
How's it?
Cool.
Contestants, you have 5 minutes left to finish your dish.
A little much. Too much.
Contestants, you only have 2 more minutes left. If I were in your place, I would start plating.
Use the small balls.
Good.
Last 1 minute, contestants.
Masala dulu.
Can stir it.
Now what should I put this chop?
Shraddha, have you tasted one?
Sweetness.
30 seconds to go,
30
contestants.
seconds.
Put your dishes together now.
Great.
Chati dito na.
Ah, 30 dito.
Looks so tempting. Chaat masala.
All right, 10,
Right?
9,
I think you.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop, everyone. Very well done, contestants. Good job, everyone. Everyone's dishes are looking fabulous. And I want to tell you all that while all of you have been so busy cooking, there is someone who's been very busy watching you from behind the scenes. And your dishes have made him very, very hungry. And therefore, he's joining us on the show to taste your dishes. And he's also a chef who will judge your dishes and also give his expert feedback comments. Chef Anup from Allspice Institute. Welcome to the show, Chef Anup. Please tell us a little bit about yourself.
Myself is Chef Anup. We are here in Allspice teaching about 7-8 years already, and we are more focused in healthy and heritage cooking. So we do all different kind of cuisine like Indian, Western, Thai, Peranakan. So all kind of food we teach here. So I'm watching from you guys from outside, and I see very interesting food coming up, and I love to try all kind of what dishes you created. Your dish looks very interesting. I like the presentation you created.
It's like Mr. and Master.
Oh. Chef Anup, please.
Okay.
Please.
Very crispy, which is a very important thing for the tikki, and the sauce, yeah, very nice, very nicely balance of tamarind sauce and chutney, And for me, I think I'm lacking a little bit of salt only, but rest from there is very nice. Yeah.
So like generally दिल्ली में chop करके press करके वो
Yeah, exactly.
और मसाले.
That's the idea behind that.
It's a little bit under-seasoned, like Chef Anup said, but I do like the crispy exterior and the soft interior. I like the Mr. and Master Tikki. The concept is very cute. Good job.
Good job.
Thank you.
I want to give tips to every participant also that whatever food you guys are cooking, before you serve, you must try the food. Because if you try the food, at least you know how is the season, how is the balance, how is the taste. So you can still manage to readjust if you like to readjust anyway.
Shraddha is a bit upset that we could make only one. She's very sad. She thinks the competition is based on the number. I've been telling her it's based on the taste.
Let's taste the Chef Anup, please. Why don't you taste it and see?
So we made the chalk tikki. Now chalk in Hindi means. So we tried it not round this time.
With there's all hing and some salt seasoning is very well.
Yeah, I can feel the flavor of the Asaf Chicha and
Absolutely.
yeah,
Last palate
Yes.
while you swallow it, then you feel like bit of the tamarind and yogurt paste will be in your palate at memory.
I think that your tikki is very good. I love the filling, and I think the filling was the
We
reason
all
for the
are
delay,
love.
but the filling was worth it. We all love your dish.
Great.
Okay, smile.
presentation looks very nice. Okay, and you did it really like a professional way of arranging the things. Yeah, so let's try. Very nice.
Very true, I agreed with you.
For me, honestly, the presentation is great, but the dish is overall a little bit dry. Tikki and potato itself can tend to be very dry, especially when it's fried. And I personally feel that you have not made a good use of the yogurt that was given to you. If I'm asked to make that dish, I would use a lot more yogurt to make the dish a little bit more moist. But overall, the presentation is good and the effort is very good. I really like the fact that you fried the peas to integrate more flavor into it, and that effort is really very well appreciated.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good job. With that, we come to the end of our first round. All of our contestants did very well with both the dishes. I think it's going to be a little bit difficult for the judges to decide which one of these three teams is going to make it to the semi-finals. So let's wait for the judges to come back with their results.
Dum bum bum bum. Dum bum bum bum.
Welcome back. The judges are here with the results. All of our contestants did very well and each team presented their dishes beautifully. It was a very difficult decision, but the judges have finally made their choice. But before we announce the winner, we have the certificate of participation for all our teams, which we are going to hand over to them now.
Mr. Nikesh Kodaiya.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
All the best. And Mr. Hugh Priem. Well done, great job.
Shraddha, this is for you. The certificate of participation and Dr. Ramanathan, this is for you.
And Rahul Sharma, this is for you. And Judy Sharma, this is for you.
Congratulations to all our teams for being part of the show. And now it's time to announce the results. The winner is going to receive this gift hamper from MTR. And the team which is going to the semi-finals for season 2 of Mr. and Master Cook is
guess. So tough competition.
team
guys.
number 2.
It was an exciting day today. Definitely we had a roller coaster of emotions. We had 3 good teams that participated well, cooked well, and in fact, as a team, when we were there in the middle, we could feel the pressure, but at the same time, we knew we were going well, till the point we realized that in the process of making chalky tikki, we could make only one, and Sharda got really disappointed. But when the results came out, surprise of all surprise, we were really taken aback. It's definitely a day to cherish, definitely a day to remember. Cooking is definitely an art, and what we realized was quality cooking is more important than quantity cooking. Isn't that right, Sharda?
Yes.
Congratulations. Congratulations, well done. Thank you, judges.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Coming on the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Very well
Done a great job.
Yes,
We'll see
very
you
well.
Well done. Did a great, good job.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
As always.
Please take your handbook.
You guys did a really great job. I feel pride. I enjoyed your food. Thank you for doing that.